The ideal gap for a smoothly operating interior door is a consistent 1/8 to 1/16 inch along the top and sides to prevent rubbing and give a clean appearance. For an expert approach, start by checking the jamb and frame for twist or out of square conditions using a straight edge or a long level placed diagonally from corner to corner to reveal discrepancy. If hinge mortises are uneven, countersink or deepen the high hinge slightly and use shims behind the low hinge to bring the door into plane. Remove small amounts and retest frequently rather than large cuts. Use feeler gauges or a stack of playing cards to set and verify a 1/16 inch clearance at the tightest spot, then replicate that spacing around the door by adjusting hinge screws and adding thin washers or cardboard shims under. Hinge leaves for incremental change. When trimming is necessary, remove minimal material from the edge with a plane or sanding block. Mark and test on the jamb side so the visible face stays square and smooth. For floors with variable thresholds, check the bottom gap by placing a ruler beneath the door at several points, and if needed, route the bottom rather than overcutting. Always preserve weather stripping if present. Final tuning includes tightening long screws into the hinge mortise backplate into the framing to prevent future sag, and lubricating hinge pins for quieter operation. Common issues include a door that rubs at the top due to frame twist, which you fix by tightening back check screws and adjusting or adding shims behind the top hinge. Another is a door that drags on the strike plate or latch side, often caused by improper hinge spacing. So move the middle hinge slightly toward the latch or loosen screws and reposition the hinge before filing the edge. The third is an uneven bottom gap from settled flooring, which you address by trimming the bottom with a plane or by raising the threshold, taking off only the material needed and checking clearance at multiple points as you go. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we exchange tips and real homeowner experiences on door clearances and installation techniques. We help contractors find new work while giving homeowners practical advice and peer feedback.